If you are a new joinee, this video is just for you. Stay tuned till the end of the video. You have successfully cracked an interview. Actually, not one. You got your job after long hours of preparation, then one written or online paper, a series of face-to-face interviews, each of them at least 40 minutes long, then HR interview. You received your appointment letter. Congratulations, you made it. Now you are in your desk. Want to make impression? Definitely. So try to understand what is good for you and not so good for you. First, be punctual. Most of the offices have specific in or out time. Follow it. Make this good habit at the earliest stage of your career. For any scheduled event like training session, induction session, meeting, group discussion, show up 5 to 10 minutes earlier and at the exact time, knock the door. Your punctuality will make good impression and it's important. It signifies that you respect the meeting and value the person or persons taking part in it. Second, align with your client or customer timings. Try to align with the timing of your client or customer or team. If you are in an internal project, team members are your daily go-to persons, so try to align with their timing. If you are working with client, your timing must align with that of your client and that will increase productivity on daily basis. Let me give you an example. In one of my jobs, one of my client was from Japan. Their working hour starts when it's early morning in India. I used to reach my desk at 8:40 a.m. to solve his issues first because while I am off for lunch, his office hours has ended or almost to end. We continued this way for few tape outs and did it successfully. Number 3, be sure to carry your ID card or punch-in card every day. Remember to carry your ID card or punch-in card every day without any fail. It's a professional world and when they selected you, they found a sensible, sincere and deserving member of their team or organization in you. So behave likewise. Number 4, timing for non-technical works. Use your time very judiciously. You are in office for official work, so give it priority. Usually, starting of the day is high energy time. Use it for your work. Give reply to all your important emails. Do follow-ups on work. Sometimes you need to do some non-technical work during the weekdays. So choose low energy time for non-technical works. If need to leave office, first talk to your manager and notify your team members also. Try to be back within time. Compensate that time later in the day. Otherwise, take half-day leave if possible in either part of the day and complete your work. Number 5, one-on-one meetings with the manager. All managers do one-on-one meetings with their team members. How frequently it will take place is completely depends on your work culture of your company, on work pressure in your project and also on your manager. One-on-ones are actually good for you. It's a common platform for you and your manager to discuss technical and sometimes non-technical issues you are facing in the company. Always attend one-on-one. Make a note of points you discussed. If your manager points to something you need to work on, definitely do that. In next one-on-one, surely give an update to your manager. Number 6, know who's who. Try to know about finance, IT system or facilities. Who's who. Take a note and stick a lookup table chart in your desk. Keep their desk number and if possible mobile number. Number 7, discuss non-technical issues. If you are facing some non-technical issues at office, don't keep on telling every other person. Call for a non-technical one-on-one with the manager and discuss. Be in a discussion mode and not in a complaining mode. Number 8, communication channel with manager. Keep your all communication channel open to your manager. Email, both desktop and mobile, WhatsApp, SMS, etc. Number 9, break the barrier. Don't be shy. You have to break your barriers multiple times if needed. Ask question if you don't know it. There are something that is very specific to your office culture and search engine has no clue about it. Ask them who knows, like HR, your manager and team members. If you are hesitant and thinking that people might laugh at you, always follow 2 rules. First, that if you do not ask the question, answer is always unknown to you. Second one is my motto of life and that is I don't know is acceptable as long as I want to know it. If you are unwilling to know, then you are a lost case. Number 10, align with your team. Try to understand working style of your team and get used to it. Number 11, avoid gossip. Avoid gossiping. It's tempting and easy to join. Still, we will recommend not to indulge in gossip. Have productive, small chat. Number 12, utilization of VNC or VPN. In case you have a remote working facility, that is VNC or VPN, activate it through the manager. Don't use it until an emergency. Number 13, know work policy. Know your company's work policies very well. You are expected to know it and follow it. Number 14, sexual harassment. Every company strictly follows sexual harassment policy. HR will tell you about it. Follow it strictly. You are now employee of that company and you are expected to treat your colleagues with dignity and respect. You might have good friendship with some of your colleagues. Still, maintain that limit while you are in casual chatting or exchanging thoughts. Be very specific in your comments. Don't make any comment that might have double meaning. 15. Taking leave. Leaves are part of your package. There is no harm in taking them. Don't take too much or too less leaves. Have a balance. Number 16. Take care of your health. Take good care of your health and also care of your food intake. Unhealthy food, lack of exercise and sitting job can ruin your health beyond repair. Number 17. Ergonomic BackRest. Corporate jobs require long hours of sitting. Buy an ergonomic memory backrest. It's an investment for your future to save your spine for long run. Number 18. Take special care of your wardrobe. Dress properly. Casual college dressing is a big no-no here. First, know the dress code of your company. Dress accordingly. Some companies follow casual dress code. Even then, try to avoid t-shirt with very loud message, or for girls, avoid dress which is too short or having plunging neckline. Number 19. Respect work from home policy. Many product companies will provide work from home facility to new joinees also. Respect it. Always be reachable by phone or email. Don't do anything other than official work in working hours. At this point, we will give 2 more tips. These 2 are actually my personal favorite. Number 20 is save 25%. This is related to financial one. When I was joining job, one of my professors suggested me to save 25% of what I earn. I always try to follow it. Enjoy your job and money. Buy whatever you have dreamed to buy. And also don't forget to save. Your savings will save you one day. And the final one is learn something new every day. These tips I still follow. That was by one of my managers. I consider him as a teacher. His constructive criticism and encouragement helped me to overcome many barriers in my life. He suggested me to learn one thing every day, be it technical or non-technical. Try to learn something new every day. If not possible, at least once in a week. Be it using a new word or learning something to cook or some new syntax. Follow this suggestion and see where you are after 6 months. Trust me, that made me a better person and I have achieved a lot personally and professionally. Well, we have listed all this based on our personal experiences. Hope it will help you in real life. Don't forget to share your comments on that. That is much for today. We will come back with a new topic in next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay focused.